Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a video on the Bandai Dodge. Now this is the other of the two Magic Railroad diesels. He's really nice. He is a repaint of Splatter and Diesel though. I wish that they had made them unique and not just made straight up repaints. That was a bit of a disappointment. And he has a peg hook like that. Hang it up like the others. Now I used to have two of these. I sold one of them a long time ago. No longer have it. This is the only one I have left. Number 56 on the top. Let's get this open. And here is Dodge. Now Dodge is pretty much in mint condition. I don't see any wear on him at all. He has a copyright date of 2001 on the bottom. And he is green. Now as for pricing, you can get Dodge for around 40 or 50 bucks. I've seen some sellers sell it for 200 because it's a Magic Railroad model, but that's just ridiculous to sell it for that price, even though it's Magic Railroad. This doesn't make much sense to do that. And you could probably find it for cheap. I do like his face. Overall, he does have like these circles on the front. And he's just a really good, well-rounded model. Alright guys, that's the Bandai Dodge.